What's going on, Credit Snipers? This is your boy Carlos with the best credit blueprint and credit assassin. Guys, today I'm excited. I want to tell you more about Navy Federal Credit Union. There's a couple hacks that they don't advertise, but I keep finding out in the communities that we are in our group. People bringing some more content and some topics. So I want to make sure I'll be mashing this up and putting it together, and I want to put in a video for you guys, so everybody can also benefit for some of the little things. So like that, you might be affected by some of the things that I'm going to talk about. But guess what, guys? I just want to make sure bring it to you so like that you'll be alert to this. And if any of this is affecting you, just call Navy Federal and make sure that you're actually informed. But before I continue, guys, you know, Carlos Estrada. This is the best credit blueprint and credit assassins. Guys, I would love for you to, if this is your first time on our channel, make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you click on the bell icon and click on all, so like that you'll be notified every time that we post a new content. And guys, it's daily. We put some new content every single day. At the same time, what I would love for you guys to do is give me the thumbs up. I appreciate it. That's going to help me to bring this content to many more people. The YouTube gods will actually allow us to be in front of a lot more people, and that's what I want to do. What I'm about to tell you today, it can potentially help you or help some other people, and you are helping me to bring this message to them. All right, so let's talk about the first hack, or non-hack that people don't know. Or it's a hack, matter of fact. It's a hack, and Navy Federal won't tell you. But did you know that you can get your APR decrease every year on the anniversary of your car? If, and this is given that you are paying your bills on time, you didn't have any late payments, no 30, 60 or nothing like that, but you can actually request to get your APR decrease every year from there on until you actually get to the minimum that the credit card or that credit card offers. Now, hack number 2, guys, that Navy Federal won't tell you. You can apply for a lower tier credit card, and then after 3 to 6 months, as long as you have at least 3 billing periods, request for this card to be upgraded to the following or the higher tier. In this case, usually you want to go for the flagship. Now, remember, you got the gold reward, the more rewards, and I can't remember the other one. We got the cash rewards. The gold rewards, more rewards, and cash rewards. But at the same time, it's the flagship. That's where you want to end up. Now, keep in mind, with all the credit cards, the maximum that Navy Federal is going to allow you to get to is $80,000. But if you start with the lowest, guess what, guys? You can always, after the 3rd billing period to 6 months, you can request for that to be upgraded, and Navy Federal will actually work with you as long as you've been paying everything on time. Now, guys, hack number 3 that Navy Federal won't tell you. Now, did you know that after 6 months of having your credit cards, and you can, again, there's a common denominator over here that you are paying your bills on time. But did you know that after 6 months of having this credit card, you can request a credit line increase? Yes, you can, guys. And the thing too is, like, I know we've spoken, I have another video in which I talk about the midnight hack, in which you can, through the app, after 12 o'clock, go in and request a credit line increase, and it have no effect on your credit. It is a soft pull. Now, you can continue doing this as much as you can. Usually, they start taking your account in consideration after the 3rd billing period. They need to make sure that you continue and that you are actually not defaulting on the credit card, also not getting close to the 100% utilization. But after 6 months, you have the ability to request a credit line increase, and every 6 months after that. Now, let's just say that for any reason you don't get qualified for, the credit line increase, you could continue doing that day after day after day until you get approved. Another little thing that the Navy Federal won't tell you is that if you ever had a fraud alert or credit freeze, you froze your sub bureaus or anything like that, they might do an internal lock of your credit card or your account, but they won't tell you that. Nowhere in the platform you can see that your account is locked. The only way that you might find out is if you call them. So I need you to call them and find out if you ever had a fraud alert or a credit line, or a credit freeze. You might want to call them and find out if by any chance your account is locked. Why? This prevents you from being able to get approved when you request a credit line increase, or any other rewards that you might be able to get from actually having that credit card. So a lock will prevent you from doing everything, pretty much getting all the benefits that the credit card gives you, and you will know that you have the lock because they don't advertise it, nor they tell you that your account is being locked. So I want you to take the responsibility here, take the leadership on this, and find out. Give them a call, find out if your account is locked, okay? All right, guys, 5. Now, I talked about this in another video in which I talk about all credit unions, and only credit unions offer this in the United States, in which you can transfer your credit line or your credit limit from one card to the other. So let's just say, for example, you have the Gold Rewards and the More Rewards, and you have for whatever reason you got the Gold Rewards, you ended up with $20,000, but you have the More Rewards at a $10,000. You want to transfer $15,000 from the Gold Rewards to the More Rewards, ending up with $25,000. The only way that Navy Federal will do this if you're planning to do a balance transfer. That doesn't mean that it has to be for the whole $25,000. It could be for 10, 12, 13, whatever the case is. But you need to let them know that you're about to do a balance transfer, and they'll walk you through it. But this is something that they don't advertise, but it's amazing. Why? Because now you have age on one car that had that amount, and now you transfer it to another one. And guess what? You can request, if you know that the Gold Rewards, the More Rewards, even the flagship can bring you up, you can start requesting a credit line increase every 6 months, because that's one of the hacks, right? Now, guys, lastly, this is another thing that kind of irks me, because has happened to me, and I see some of the people in our community that Navy Federal sometimes don't communicate when they require more documentation to approve you for a credit line or an application that you submitted. Sometimes they tell you got denied, but it wasn't that. So what I advise you to do is not only call once. If they tell you you've been denied, don't take it. Call again, because sometimes you get somebody new on the phone that may not know the whole process, and they're not telling you the whole story. So what I advise you to do is call the reconsideration hotline or the reconsideration line for Navy Federal and ask them, hey, look, I used to apply for a credit card, or applied a couple of days ago, a week ago. Usually, and this is the thing, usually when they request documentation, they only give you a two-week span period. So get on the ball, find out if there's anything else that they need and you wasn't, or you didn't get a message from. Because usually what they say, we're going to send you a message in the secure message board that they have within the app. But that doesn't always happen. Even happened to me with one of my mortgages, my GoBiz. I needed something to request a credit line increase. So it has happened to me a couple times, and I see it be happening more often with a lot of people. So hey, guys, get on the ball. Just know these little things that are happening with Navy Fed. Now, they are one of the best credit unions. And again, nothing is perfect. All the process is not perfect with them, but the benefits that you get from them are non-bar better than any other ones. I mean, I compare with PenFed to Navy Fed and any other credit union out there. Navy Federal blows each one of them out of the water. So, hey guys, take these 6 things in consideration, because they are going to help you. And I hope this helped you guys. If you see anything different, if any of these things happen different to you, or there's any other hacks out there that we can benefit from, the community and me, hey, put it in the comment. Let me know how we did, how we can do better, how can we bring this message to you in a better manner. But guys, if this was your first time, do not forget to subscribe. Click on that bell icon. Make sure you click on all, so like that you'll be notified every time that we post a new content. At the same time, guys, give me the thumbs up. And I love that you guys were here with me today. I have a free gift for you. Go on the bottom of this video. I have what's called the Remasters Secrets Lenders List. This 62-page document is a research that we did, in which we give you almost more than 400 creditors in the United States, the bureau that they pull from, the credit score needed, and approximately how much you'll get with that credit score. Guys, it's a free gift to you from us, Credit Snipers. You are the credit assassins, guys. I hope you guys love this video. My name is Carlos Estrada Vega. I am the credit assassin, and I'll see you in the next video.